How to download and install the Castle app in any device. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how you can easily download the Castle app on your Android device. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us begin. The first thing you want to do is open up your web browser. That could be anything, and then from here what you want to do is simply search for castleapp.info. So I'm just going to do that right now and search for castleapp.info and hit enter. Now you'll be taken to this web page directly where you have an option to download Castle app latest version. So simply go ahead and tap on this download button. Now click on the download latest version for Android. And now the download process should start right away. So just click on this download and then click on download anyway. Now the installation process has started. Wait for the file to completely download on your device. Now once the file has been downloaded, you just want to open it up and then click on open. And as you can see here, it is asking you to download the app, so just tap on install and wait for the installation to complete. And once the installation has been completed, you can just click on open and now you can enjoy the app. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next video.